year marks a significant convergence of innovation and opportunity, where leaders and visionaries from across the globe have come together to explore the forefront of technological advancement and investment potential in the heart of one of America's most dynamic cities. Your Excellency, your presence here today is testimony of your great love and commitment to this Kenyan diaspora, through which the diaspora are now a great force and voice in actualizing the bottom-up economic transformation agenda and enriching and creating international jobs and diaspora jobs for our people with opportunities to work abroad in various ways. Your Excellency, on one of our conversations about diaspora, when we discussed the fact that Pearson VUE had set up a center in Kenya, and now Kenyans are able to take nursing exams there to be able to take up opportunities abroad. And I mentioned that the only reason we were able to do that is because of the intervention of certain diaspora. Your Excellency, you asked me if I know who those diaspora are by name. Bila Kuma, if you would kindly listen, so that we can recognize